Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make money online in 2018, and we're going to do it like a total boss. Now, I know right now we only have 2 more months in 2017, and I want to talk to you about how to start now and how to make sure that your 2018 is going to be great and it's going to allow you to do the fun things that you want in life. That's what we want to do on this channel, and this video is being able to allow you to create that total boss lifestyle where you get to control your life, you get to do what the fun things that you want, and you're not really under the thumb of somebody else telling you exactly what to do. And we're going to do that with using the internet and using the tools we have available to us. Now, before we get started, click on that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So on this channel, I talk to you about different traffic sources and different landing pages, lead pages, and affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is very simple, very easy to get up and get running with that. Now we have 2 more months, and we're coming into 2018. And one of the best ways to make money online is going to be creating your own product. Because when you are out there and you're in affiliate marketing, you're actually you're promoting somebody else's product that they created, a digital product that they created. You promote it, you make a percentage on it. But what happens is you promote that product, maybe you get like 70%, 80%, and they make a ton of money on the back end because you sent them a customer. But when you have your own digital products and you create it for yourself, you own the customer, okay? You own 100% of the profits if you sell that through your own link. Now you can get JVs and you can pay out them, but that's fine. That's additional bonus traffic. But I want to just talk to you about how to start now and how to set yourself up so when 2018 comes around, you have a product that you're ready to promote and you can start earning income from that. Now that doesn't mean that you abandon affiliate marketing. You do both. Okay, you have your product and you have affiliate links that you're promoting. That's what I do. I have my own products, I have my links, and I promote both of them. Okay, so what it does is just gives you an additional revenue source that you can have coming in. Now you might think, well, I don't know how to create a product. Well, you do, and it's very easy. Okay, you use free tools and you use very basic tools that you can get up and running. But the first thing you want to really sit down and ask yourself is, what do I know that I could share with other people that they will pay me for? And if you think to yourself right now that people won't pay for your knowledge, I guarantee there are people out there that don't know what you know and they will pay for it. Now this could be for any niche. This could be for weight loss, fitness, dating. This could be marketing, business. There's all kinds of different things out there that people want to learn about. The online education right now is that people are just absolutely spending so much money with the education. For me, for the last 2 or 3 years, that was really my whole business plan, was creating products, finding JV partners, and then promoting those products through JV partners. Now, right now I have all my products out there online. They generate traffic for me and they generate sales for me because I've created them and I've put them out there, and they just constantly bring in sales for me on a daily basis. But the first thing you got to do is sit down and say, okay, what do I know? What's one thing that I could teach somebody that I could sell a product to? And then all you have to do is just create a Word document of this. Okay, you can use Microsoft Word. You can also use Google Docs, which I like to use. I have Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive has Google Docs inside of there, and all you do is you just start typing out, an outline of what it is that that you could teach somebody how to do. And you could create images, you could create illustrations, whatever you want to add to this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to create this whole document. It could be 30 pages, 40 pages, whatever you want to do. And you create this, and then what you do is you just export it to a PDF. And you can do that right from Google Docs. If you look at, it'll say export as a PDF, or I think it's save as a PDF. And when you save that PDF, that's your product. That's what you are going to send to somebody when somebody buys your product. Now you might think it's complicated. It's not that complicated. It's a simple PDF form that you could create to give out to somebody. Now you also could do another thing. You could create videos like this, maybe how-to videos, 10 how-to videos on whatever it is that that you know. You create those videos. You could put them into online to a form. You could actually just upload them to YouTube if you wanted to, and create a playlist. And then when somebody buys your product, you just send them the link to the playlist. And obviously you'd have those videos unlisted so people can't just randomly find your videos. You want to have them unlisted so people can't see them. So you have a playlist with unlisted videos, and you could sell that playlist to somebody out there. Now, what you have to do is you have to find a solution so somebody can pay you and you get paid for that. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can either go to JVZoo or you can go to Warrior Plus. And when you go to JVZoo, you're going to be the publisher. Okay, now normally if you go to JVZoo, you're the advertiser. You're getting the links and you're promoting other people's products. Well, now you're turning the tables. You're going to create a product, you're going to be the publisher, and now you can have JVs just like you going out there and promoting your product. But you're going to keep majority of the profits because now somebody's going to get your product, and inside of your product you could have links to other products, you could have links to affiliate offers, all kinds of things you could do with that. Inside of your PDF, if you create a doc, inside of that doc there could be links to other affiliate link offers, okay? Example would be if you created a product on how to create landing pages using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has a affiliate offer, affiliate link system inside of their program. So they would give you a special link inside of your PDF, your report. You could have how you create ClickFunnels landing pages, a tutorial on how to do that. And then inside there, you'd have a link to your affiliate link. You would make money from that. So if somebody bought your product, then they would go in there, they would buy your product initially, they would click on your affiliate link inside of your PDF. Now they would go there and you would make additional revenue from that. Same thing goes with your videos. If you have your videos set up, you could have a description underneath the video with affiliate links to different offers, things that help whatever it is your product. So if you have a product that is teaching people how to do things and there's other affiliate maybe software or there's other programs that enhance that product that you create, make sure you put those affiliate links inside of that description. That way you get people to click on that and you make additional revenue. So not only would you get upfront money from your initial product, but you're also going to be making money on the back end with your affiliate links inside of the members area, inside of the PDF, inside of your product that you create. So what you'll do is you'll go to JVZoo or you'll go to Warrior Plus. You're going to become the publisher now. You go in there and what they're going to do is they're going to ask you to upload your product details. So you just put in the name of your product, you put in the download link. If you have a download link, you can actually upload the PDF to JVZoo or Warrior Plus. So then when somebody buys it, Warrior Plus will automatically send them the link. They could download, read your product, and everything is good. Also, they'll also send to your, let's say you have a password protected members area, or you could put just your link to your playlist in YouTube. So you create your playlist with all your videos. You put that link into Warrior Plus. When somebody buys your product, Warrior Plus will send them the link to your playlist. It's very simple, very easy. So once you get your product inside of either JVZoo or Warrior Plus, then the next thing, all you have to do next is just create a simple sales page talking about your product. Now don't let this confuse you and don't let this get you frustrated, because creating a sales page is very easy. All you're going to be doing is just talking about the benefits of your product. If you need some help with that, then maybe go over to Fiverr.com, go to Upwork, so it's WORK.com. You'll find people that know how to create sales pages. They'll write it out. But all the sales pages that I've ever created, I just wrote them out myself. And a lot of times they're just stories that I created about the product that I have out there, and I just created that sales page and then put it up there. Very simple, very easy. So here's the thing to make money in 2018. Go to, you want to promote this product and you want to get JVs to promote it. If you go to a website called Muncheye.com, you can actually list products they're going to come out to in the future. And then when people see those products, they'll be able to go to your JVZoo link and they'll be able to promote your product. So what I recommend you doing is this, is you set in a date for January 2nd of 2018 and you just post it onto Muncheye and you say, this is when my product is going to be launched. And then now you've set that date, okay? Once that date is set and you know it's set in your mind, now you have 2 months to create your product. You have a deadline, you have to get it done. Because if you don't set a date and you don't put that out there, you're just going to keep pushing it off. You're going to keep, pushing it down the road, and you'll never really get it done. You'll never really get it up and running. So always set a date. If you want to get your product done in the next 30 days, set a date in 30 days and then get it done. Because what that does is it puts the pressure on you to figure it out, to figure out what you have to do to get your product up and running. So again, to make money online in 2018 is just to create your own product, become the person that's, instead of you advertising products, you become the person that creates the products. All you have to do is you use a PDF form by using Google Docs, create your product, or you can use videos through YouTube, create a playlist, upload it to either Warrior Plus or JVZoo, create a sales page on that, and then on that sales page, you'll just take the buttons that Warrior Plus or JVZoo create for you, and you put those onto your sales page. When somebody clicks on that Buy Now button, they're taken to a place where they can put in their credit card or maybe their PayPal information. You get paid, life is good, you're making money. Okay, so that is going to be the easiest way. But I must stress to you, you have to set a date on it. You have to say January 2nd, 2018. That is when I'm going to launch my product. That is when I'm going to put it out there. If you set that date, and now the pressure's on, you have to figure it out. You got to put it down. And then as the date gets closer and closer, then you're going to start to really get it going. But what I recommend you doing is you start now and you start working on things. So when that date comes at January 2nd, your product is ready. It's ready to go. You can start promoting it, and you can get JV partners to start promoting it for you. You'll have a huge launch. You could generate a couple $1,000s just on the first day of people promoting your product. It could be an amazing product for you, and you'll start off 2018 on an amazing bang. Okay, so if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.